Hello, I'm at my newest listing in Callaway Gardens Resort, Longleaf subdivision in Pine Mountain, Georgia. This property is located at 164 Maple Trace. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,944 square feet. Look at the description below for the price. Let's go take a look.
This resort property is located in Callaway Gardens in Pine Mountain, Georgia. It is a potential second home or could be your primary residence. The materials of construction are brick with cement board on the outside, quality materials on the inside, stacked stone fireplace, beautiful open floor plan, cathedral ceilings, granite, hardwood tile, carpet in the bedrooms. This property is located about 60 to 70 minutes from Atlanta Airport and without a red light, and only 35 to 40 minutes to Fort Benning front gate. Also, it's about 25 minutes to North Columbus. Some of the amenities and upgrades, the washer and dryer will stay and pass with the property. It's got 2 enclosed patios. It's got a fire pit, an arbor, a 1-car garage, and a carport. The other amenities of the resort include biking, golf, fishing, walking trails, all types of things throughout the year, special activities, balloon festival, Christmas fantasy and lights, Masters water ski tournament. It's just a great facility, great property, great investment, and I certainly hope you will make an appointment to come see this property. Here's a view of the secondary bathroom. My family and I have enjoyed going to Callaway Gardens for the last 30 years and have a lot of fond memories. Super nice enclosed patios, lots of natural areas, green space. Another view of the backyard. Aerial view. And the lake is Robin Lake Beach, where they have the Masters water ski tournament each year.
Have your agent make an appointment to come see this property and have a great day. Thank you.